Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today is our topic how to start Autodesk Inventor or how to learn Autodesk Inventor from basics. Okay, let's start. Firstly, select a part to make our first sketch. Okay, here you can see start 2D sketch. Go and you can see here there are planes on which we want to sketch our drawing. Okay, this is our front plane. You can see here also this is our front and this is our right plane. Okay, top. Let's select front plane. Okay, this is our front plane. So our first tool is line. Okay, in this uh, tool we can draw line, simple line. Okay, angular, multiple lines, normal. Okay, just a freehand sketch. Okay, next is spline, control vertex. Here you can see there is two type of spline, control vertex and interpolation. First select spline, then click a point, second point and third point. Click OK. Now you can see this is our vertex of this spline. Okay, if we want dimension it, we have to dimension of this vertex. Okay, and radius dimension also. Second is spline interpolation. Click करें, first click, then second, third, fourth, and OK. Now you can see the difference between two spline. It has a vertex and there are no vertex. There are points which we click to make this spline. Okay, this is the difference. Working almost the same of both spline. Okay, next is bridge curve. You can see the name is bridge, so it's basically a bridge, make a bridge both curves. Okay, firstly select one spline and then second, then you can see the starting point and the end point of the both spline becoming a bridge curve. Okay, so that's our first tool. Later on we discuss all the tools and all the commands of Autodesk Inventor. Hope you like it. Then please like and share my video and comment on it. What is your questions or any suggestions? Thank you for watching.